UN Secretary General condemns killing of 3 UN peacekeepers in Central African Republic. Millions of Americans lost jobless benefit as Trump refuses to sign ad bill. Bangladesh to move second batch of Rohingya refugees to remote Iceland. The 13th death anniversary of former Prime Minister of Pakistan Shahid Benazir Bhutto is being observed today. Turkey warns Libya Haftar and supporters against attacking its forces. European Union brings vaccination of defeat pandemic. FBI at home of possible person of interest in Nashville bomb. Indian farmer launch media to fight Modi lies.